Hello, this is Mitchell of Jimmy's the Eco Feeder. Today we will be using 3 different ways to check our garden's pH and then listing each pros and cons. First of all, what is pH? pH is potential hydrogen, and it's very important because certain chemicals thrive at certain levels of the pH. The ideal pH level is between 6.2 and 7.3. As you can see the chart, these are the chemicals that'll be thriving there. First one we'll be testing is the moisture meter. You pick it up at any Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, any convenience store. It's very easy. You get a soil sample out of your garden. This is after I watered in the morning, and we'll be using outdoor water from your faucet because that's the water that's going to be in your garden. That's going to be the water that's going to be affecting your pH the most. So you don't have to buy any distilled water or anything else. Just use your garden hose. Make sure it is moist. Stick the meter in there. Wait 1 minute. Pull it out, and it reads 6.4. The pros for the tester is that it's easy, it tells you the exact pH level, and it has extra features such as the light meter and the moisture meter. The only con that I see is that it costs around $10. Next one we'll be testing is traditional baking soda and vinegar. You want to have 50% of soil and vinegar, and 50% of soil and water, and 3 tablespoons of baking soda added to that. So what we're going to do is simply pour it in. So the baking soda, if you pour it in, if the soil is acidic, it's going to fizz. No reaction. The vinegar, if the soil is alkaline, it's going to fizz. Some bubbling, but I think it's because it's settling. Okay, the pros for this one is that it's fun to do with a family. It's really cheap. Everybody has vinegar and baking soda in their house. The cons are it doesn't tell you the exact pH level, so that doesn't really help that much then. It'll just tell you if it's acidic or base. The last one is a simple test strip. You can find these on eBay and some pool stores. And we're going to be using tap water from our faucet outside, because that's what it's going to be in our gardens. Pour it in. I want to mix it up so it looks like oatmeal. Not exactly like oatmeal, but it's the consistency that we want. Simply grab one of the test strips, I like putting a crease in it so it has a little rigidity. Stab it in there a little bit. Wipe it off. Let it dry. Then you match it up to the chart that we have here. And I'd say between a 6 and a 7. Pros with this is that it's cheap, it's easy, gets pH levels to the nearest 0.5. As you can tell, the chart only goes by 0.5s. Cons are that the test strips are very hard to find. Like I said, only certain pool stores and also on eBay. So, if I had to buy one of these, and only one of them, I would buy the pH test meter. It's easy to use. Just got to switch out the battery every once in a while, like once a year. Just mix the soil up. Make sure the soil is wet, and prong away. Again, here's that pH chart. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll be having another video coming out pretty soon. Thanks.